Hello kids! So today in this video we are going to write the spelling of each picture. Okay. So for the first one I'll take red color and write the first spelling. So what is this? This is an ant. This is an ant and the spelling is A N T. Ant. This is an ant. A-N-T. Ant. Okay. Next I'll choose light green color. So what is this? This is a ball. This is a ball. And the spelling is B A L L. Ball. This is a ball. B A L L. Ball. Okay. So next I'll take yellow color and write the spelling of carrot. This is a carrot. C A R R O T. Carrot. C A R R O T. Carrot. Okay. Next I'll take blue color and write the spelling of duck. This is a duck. Okay. So the spelling is D U C K. Duck. This is a duck. D U C K. Duck. Okay. D U C K. Next I'll choose pink color and write the spelling of eagle. What is this? This is an eagle. Okay. So the spelling is E A G L E. Eagle. E A G L E. Eagle. Okay. E A G L E. Eagle. Next I'll choose dark green color and write the spelling of fish. This is a fish and the spelling is F I S H. Fish. F I S H. Fish. Next I'll take purple color and write the spelling of goat. This is a goat. G O A T. Goat. G O A T. Goat. Okay. And finally I'll take brown color and write the spelling of hat. This is a hat and the spelling is H A T. Hat. H A T. Hat. Okay. So let's repeat once again. This is an ant. A N T. Ant. This is a ball. B A L L. Ball. This is a carrot. C A R R O T. Carrot. This is a duck. D U C K. Duck. This is an eagle. E A G L E. Eagle. This is a fish. F I S H. Fish. Okay. This is a goat. G O A T. Goat. This is a hat. H A T. Hat. Okay. So that's it for today kids. I hope you like this video and if you like it, hit a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. See you in my next video. Till then take care and bye bye.